Perhaps you've heard of MDMA, often referred to as ecstasy or Molly. What you might not know is that it will soon get FDA approval as a medically prescribed drug. Why? Because dozens of studies show that it's extremely effective for helping people overcome trauma, anxiety, and depression, and helping couples feel more love. That's why I wrote a book called Ecstasy as Medicine. In the book, I explain that a single 5-hour journey with this medicine can be like doing 2 years of weekly therapy. MDMA is a breakthrough because it creates a feeling of safety, peace, and love. And from such an experience, you can work through psychological challenges much more quickly and easily. One of the best things about MDMA is that it doesn't really feel like a drug. In fact, with my encouragement, my parents even tried it, but they said the drug had no effect on them. That seemed strange to me, so I asked them, well, what did you do for the rest of the night? And then they said that they spent the whole night talking about how much they loved each other and how wonderful their lives were while they cuddled on the couch. So despite the drug not working, they just happened to have the best night of their 40-year marriage. Of course, I found their conclusion rather funny. Now, in my book, I discuss such things as how to find a qualified guide, how to guide your friends or clients on a journey, and how to help yourself handle psychological or relationship issues in a single day. If you want to learn all about this medicine and how it can benefit you, buy Ecstasy as Medicine. It can be a fun and fascinating read and help you and your loved ones. After all, we could all use a little bit more ecstasy in our lives. You can buy it on Kindle, paperback, or audiobook at Amazon.com.